In 2034, a colonist on Mars will press a transmit button. She'll say one word, help. Earth will not hear it for 14 minutes. By the time Mission Control replies, 28 minutes will have passed. Half an hour for a single exchange. A heartbeat in cosmic terms. An eternity for someone bleeding out in a habitat dome. This isn't a technology problem. This is physics. In 1905, Albert Einstein realized something terrifying. The speed of light isn't fast. It's the universe's hard limit. 299,792 kilometers per second. Not a guideline, not a target. A wall built into the fabric of space-time itself. Nothing carries information faster. Not radio, not lasers, not the most powerful transmitter humanity will ever build. Because radio waves are light, lasers are light, microwaves, infrared, X-rays, all the same phenomenon. Electromagnetic radiation, racing across the cosmos at exactly one speed. And Mars is far. At opposition, when Earth and Mars line up on the same side of the Sun, the gap shrinks to 54 million kilometers. Light crosses it in 3 minutes. At superior conjunction, when Mars hides on the far side of the Sun, the distance balloons to 401 million kilometers, and light takes over 22 minutes. One way. For roughly 2 weeks every 26 months, the Sun itself sits between the planets. Its plasma corona scrambles signals into noise. Total blackout, say the colony, cut off. Some hope quantum entanglement could save us. It can't. The no communication theorem proves it. Entangled particles share correlations, not messages. You cannot whisper through the quantum field. The universe forbids it. Then there is the inverse square law. A signal spreading across interplanetary space weakens by the square of the distance. By the time a transmission from Mars reaches Earth, it's a whisper, drowning in cosmic static. NASA's Deep Space Network uses 70-meter dishes just to hear it. Antennas the size of buildings, listening for photons fainter than a candle on the moon. Laser communications will help. NASA's DSOC experiment on the Psyche probe already beamed high-definition video across deep space. But lasers don't break the light barrier. They only carry more data, at the same fundamental speed. So Martians will live with the delay. There will be no live calls with Earth. No real-time broadcasts. No "I love you" answered in the same breath. Every conversation will be a letter, composed, sent, then waited on. Like sailors writing home in the age of sail. Except the ocean is vacuum, and the postman is a photon, moving as fast as the universe permits, and still arriving too late. Doctors will diagnose without consultation. Engineers will improvise without permission. Children born on Mars will grow up knowing Earth is not a phone call. It is a postcard, minutes deep, sometimes weeks. And here is where physics becomes philosophy. Einstein also taught us something stranger. Simultaneity is a fiction. There is no universal now. When you look at the stars, you see them as they were, years, centuries, millennia ago. The night sky is a museum of the past, lit by ghosts. Mars will be the first place where humans live this truth daily. Their now and Earth's now will never sync. By the time you hear them, they will have already lived those 14 minutes. By the time they hear you, you will be 14 minutes older. 2 worlds, 2 timelines, 1 species, drifting apart at the speed of light itself. The first Martians won't just live on another world, they'll live in another now. If this rewired how you think about distance, subscribe, because the universe has more rules, and we've only just started breaking them.